Hello, I'm here to discuss Rohingya refugees. Surely are wondering where the Rohingya refugees come from. Well, the majority of Rohingya live in the poorest state in Myanmar, namely Rakhine. From a historical perspective, the existence of the Rohingya is not liked by the majority of the population in Rakhine, who are predominantly Buddhist. Rohingya are seen as convert to Islam for other countries. This hatred toward the Rohingya from the majority of the population in Rakhine extends to Myanmar as well. Is Indonesia the only place where Rohingya seek refuge? No, according to the UNHCR report, Rohingya refugees are seeking protection in various countries. I am of the opinion that the Rohingya see defense and preparation not in just one country but in other countries such as Bangladesh, Malaysia, Thailand, India, and most recently Indonesia. In Indonesia itself, especially the people of Aceh reject the arrival of the Rohingya to flee. Aswani, claiming to be a representative of residents in PD Regency, claimed that residents refused because the presence of Rohingya refugees violates agri norms, and also the head of Lapang Barat village in Bergen Regency, Mukhtar Yusuf, rejected refunds on the grounds that there is no place that supports refugees in his area. My opinion, I agree with the rejection made by the people of Aceh because the Rohingya have been given a place to stop and instead asking for an island to settle on. The consolation in that the people of Aceh registered the arrival of Rohingya refugees because Rohingya immigrants who had been started before behaved poorly and did not comply with local community norms, and the Rohingya escaped for part of the island to be controlled as their residents.